Hello, today I would like to talk to you about the difference between a full coverage crown and that of an onlay. We get that question asked many times here in the office. And I'm going to demonstrate this with our new E4D machine, which is with our same-day dentistry, which we do on almost all of our crowns and onlays, where you can have the procedure done in that day and leave that day with the finished product in your mouth. So starting off with, many of you already know what a crown is. That's a procedure that we use on a tooth that's broken down severely, that needs to be fully covered to prevent it from breaking or fracturing and requiring you further work and to save the tooth. But many times part of the tooth is still very strong, but part of the tooth is very weak, and that's when we use an onlay. An onlay is made out of the same material that the crown is made out of, but it only covers a portion of the portion of the tooth that's weak. And so therefore we're not having to destroy and reduce a lot of the good portions of the tooth, but yet we're still making the tooth stronger. If you'll come here to the screen, you can see on the screen the difference between the two. This one that I'm pointing at right here is the full coverage crown, and as you can see, it covers the entire tooth all the way to the ground, or the gum as you might say, and it goes all the way around the tooth and covers the entire tooth. Now the tooth next to it here, the little smaller tooth, this is an onlay, and as you can see, a large part of the tooth is covered with the blue material, which is eventually the porcelain material, but you'll see that the stronger part of the tooth is still the natural enamel. And this functions very well. It restores the function of the tooth, it supports the tooth to prevent it from fracturing, and in long-term effect